Yeah, okay. Okay, then this is your plate. Then you try. Then this year watching already my video. Have you watched Baba's cooking? Yeah, okay. Where's the meat? You got the meat? Which food is that? Guys, crying, so you gotta have one. Try one all. Like this is that?
Maybe, yeah, we just got it.
Okay, then I do.
You guys are the lifesaver.
Oh, thank you, brother. Thank you. You want Sri Lankan food?
This is my stuff.
Yeah.
Have you tried this one?
Yeah. No, that's the guy who came from. Because it's getting tough.
I already tried this one. I already ate one. It was the best.
Yeah.
What do you say, brother?
I'm still enjoying this food.
Okay.
I mean, mashallah, I can tell you,
Yeah.
this year is much better than last year. Okay, the amount of food here, and also it's becoming very difficult for me or for us to make a decision. So I'm going second round to taste once again. You want first, second, third? First, second, third? No. I mean, this one, there's two swama.
Yeah.
Good?
I think like this one was.
This one, yeah, I think I can. Yeah, that guy is.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Finally, we have come to a decision. This is not an easy decision, but we have to decide which one can be the second place, third and first place, right? Okay, we'll start from the third place. Okay, third place is Riaz.
From the Fiji, the chow mein.
Fiji chow mein. HP Swama. Where is HP Swama? Where? Okay. The winner of this competition, well, I must say everybody is a winner, but today we have to make a decision. This winner brought us two dishes. One is a main course and also a dessert. We didn't tell it was you.
Okay.
No,
Oh,
no.
okay.
Okay. All right. So we enjoy the boat. Is Faraz.
No, we need
HCYC. It stands for what?
Hillcrest Community Youth Center.
Oh, Hillcrest Community Youth Center. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Third place? Where's the third place?
I think your chow mein was
Yes.
very, very nice.
Yeah.
Very good.
Congratulations, brother. Congratulations. Take one photo of that. Okay.
And everyone enjoyed it, so yeah, well done.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, second.
Second one goes to HB Shawama.
Let's be Sharma. Okay. Assalamualaikum, brother. Congratulations. Okay. Here we go.
Well done. Very, very good, brother. Very nice.
All right. Okay. All right. All right. The winner.
Oh, I know. I think I'm gonna take that.
Oh, this Halal. Okay. Yeah, this man. He's been watching us from the beginning. Hey, Karim. HC. HCYC. Hillcrest Youth Community Center.
Hillcrest Community Youth
Okay,
Center.
go. Okay. All right, Karim.
So there you go.
Can I take a photo?
There
Okay,
is
photo.
the three winners.
Thank you very much.
Okay, and then we take one group photo. Please come, everybody come.
Yeah.